Input output instruction. In case of register reference instruction, we know that D7 is 1 and I is equal to 0. But if I is 1, then the instruction is input output instruction. In case of input output instruction, 0 to 11, 12 bits are going to represent the different possible operations. Now, here we will discuss the input output configuration. We have an input device keyboard. The content of keyboard is supplied to the transmitter interface and through which it is supplied to the input register. That means content of input device is supplied to the input register, and input register is a special register that is going to receive the input from the input device, and we can't directly receive the information from any peripheral device, so we will use a interface in between them. So we have a transmitter interface that is going to supply the information from keyboard to input register. Now we have a special flag bit FGI. FGI is a input flag that is going to specify the input flag, whether the input flag is 1 or input flag is 0. The content of input register is supplied to the accumulator. Now in accumulator we are going to calculate the result. This accumulator result is again can be supplied to the ALU, and result can be again stored in the accumulator. The final result from the accumulator is supplied to the output register. With output register we have a special flag bit FGO, that means FGO output flag, that is going to specify whether the output register is full or not. Now output register is supplying the information to the printer with the help of a receiver interface. Here we are discussing, we have two registers, one is input register and another is output register. With each register we have a special flag bit FGI that is going to indicate that whether the input register is empty or full. Similarly, the FGO output flag is going to indicate whether the output register is empty or full. Now the different input output instructions are, the first is INP. INP means we are supplying input. Input register, the content of input register is supplying to the accumulator. We know that in case of input register, the size of input register is 8 bit because 1 byte is transferred at a time, 1 character is transferred at a time. So we input 1 character. So INPR, the input register supply the value to accumulator, but the size of accumulator is 16 bit, so we only use the lower bit from 0 to 7 for supplying the information of input register. Similarly, OUT. OUT stands for output the character. In this case, the 7-bit information of accumulator, 8-bit information of accumulator from 0 to 7 is supplied to the output register, as the size of input and output register both are 8 bits, so we can say input or we can output only 1 character at a time. Next is SKI, skip if input flag. Skip means we are going to increment the value of PC. PC is equal to PC plus 1. Now skipping condition is input flag is 1. So input flag is FGI. So if FGI is 1, then PC is PC plus 1. SKO, skip if output flag. If FGO is 1, then PC is PC plus 1. Next instruction is ION, interrupt enable, and IOF, interrupt enable off. Interrupt enable means IEN is 1 and IOF means IEN is 0. IEN is a special sort of flag bit, interrupt enable, that will indicate whether we are using the whether we are allowing the interrupt or not. We will discuss this topic later on.